Welcome to this algebra lesson. Today, we are going to learn how to calculate simple interest using the formula I equals Prt. This skill is essential for understanding how loans work and how your savings grow over time. First, let us define what interest actually is. Think of it in two ways. If you borrow money from a bank, interest is the fee you pay to the lender for using their money. On the other hand, if you invest money, interest is the profit the bank pays you for letting them use your funds. To calculate simple interest, we use a specific formula. I equals P multiplied by R multiplied by T. This equation helps us find the total interest amount based on three specific factors, which we will look at next. Let's break down the first two variables. P stands for principal. This is the starting amount of money you either deposit or borrow. For example, $500. The variable R stands for rate. This is the annual interest percentage. When calculating, we always convert this percentage into a decimal, so 5% becomes 0.05. The third variable is T, which stands for time. This represents how long the money is borrowed or invested. There is one critical rule you must remember. Time must always be measured in years. If you are given months, you will need to convert them. Let's look at a real-world example involving a loan. Alex borrows $1,000 at an interest rate of 5% for 3 years. To find the interest, we substitute these values into our formula. 1,000 times 0.05 times 3 equals 150. So, Alex pays $150 in interest. Now let's try an investment example. Sarah puts $500 into a savings account with a 4% annual interest rate for 2 years. Using the formula, we multiply 500 by 0.04 by 2. This gives us $40. Sarah earns $40 just for keeping her money in the account. Often, you want to know the total amount of money at the end, not just the interest. To find this, we simply add the principal and the interest together using the formula A equals P plus I using Sarah's example. 500 plus 40 equals $540. Be careful when time is not given in years. For example, if you need to calculate interest for 6 months, you cannot use the number 6. Since there are 12 months in a year, 6 months is equal to 0.5 years. You must use 0.5 in your calculation to get the correct answer. Let's review the key points. The simple interest formula is I equals P multiplied by R multiplied by T. Remember that P is your starting principal, R is your rate as a decimal, and T is your time in years. Master this formula, and you can easily handle basic financial calculations.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.